Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. In this video, we will be learning 5 new words of the day. That is today, 15th of April 2019. This is the daily vocabulary booster by Oliveboard. Before we start with learning these new words, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. So, the first word for today is elude. It is E-L-U-D-E, which means to escape from or avoid a danger, enemy or pursuer. So, this is typically in a way skillful or cunning way. That means when we are trying to escape from someone, that is when we use the term elude. So, few of the synonyms are evade, avoid, get away from something. So the usage is, he tried to elude the security men by sneaking through a back door. That means when the security men came to chase that particular person, he sneaked or he eluded through the back door of a place. The next term is extradition, which means the action of extraditing a person which is accused or convicted of a crime. So, when we are trying to move a person who is convicted of a crime from one place to another. So, few of the synonyms are deportation, handover, repatriation. We'll check the usage. They fought to prevent his extradition to the US. That means that there were a set of people who didn't want a person to move from the US. The next term is flimsy. Now, flimsy means insubstantial and easily damaged. That means something which can be damaged or harmed really soon. So, the synonyms are weak and unconvincing, feeble, poor, inadequate or insufficient. So, the synonyms are, she tried to give a pretty flimsy excuse for being late to office. That means that a person who came to office late gave a stupid or insubstantial reason of why she was late. The next term is indictment. Now it is I-N-D-I-C-T-M-E-N-T, which means a formal charge or accusation of a serious crime. That means someone has been accused of committing a serious crime. So the synonyms are charge, accusation or arraignment. So we check the usage. The indictment of 12 people who had imported cocaine caused happiness amongst the locals. So the local people got really happy when these 12 people who were behind the import of cocaine got accused. And the last term for today is peril. It is P-E-R-I-L, which means serious or immediate danger. So the synonyms are danger, jeopardy or risk. We'll check the usage. Rihanna first witnessed the perils of pop stardom a decade ago. So that means the serious and immediate danger that this particular segment can give to Rihanna was witnessed by her a decade ago. So those were the 5 new words that we've learned today, and I hope you like the video. Share it with your friends and help them improve their vocabulary too. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.